Hello, it's Instructor KJ Green, and today we are going to be talking about ChatGPT. So the question is, what is ChatGPT? I call this the $1,000,000 question. I mean, everywhere, literally on YouTube, Elon Musk is talking about ChatGPT. That's how it started. You know, YouTube, like, it's the hottest cake on YouTube. Everywhere, look at this. Videos about ChatGPT. There are many tutorials about ChatGPT. Courses. Like, literally everybody is talking about ChatGPT. Look at that. So many tutorials about ChatGPT. So this is, as we speak right now, it's a $1,000,000 question. So, what is ChatGPT? Everybody, of course, wants to know about this. Now, ChatGPT is generative pre-trained transformer. It's an AI machine or, software that has been trained to generate text. That's what ChatGPT does. So, I was curious. I wanted, because anything new that shows up, what you have to do is you go on Google Trends and check out this. This is the Google Trend of ChatGPT. Like, it's skyrocketed, especially in March. And there are so many searches that are happening, and experts predict that right now we are just at the tip of the iceberg of what ChatGPT is. People are just joining this trend. So if you are studying this course right now, you stand a high advantage because most people don't know about what you're about to learn right here. And you can see right here, many people predict that ChatGPT is going to replace Google, or maybe Google will come up with another ChatGPT, or perhaps it will provoke Google to bring another bot such that, because now the way ChatGPT does its stuff, I mean, it makes it stupid simple for you to search, for you to get whatever you want from online. Actually, once I started using ChatGPT, I checked Google because, the experience is just so different. So I also checked about the Google trend of ChatGPT monetization, because as we speak now, ChatGPT is not just being used to answer questions, but basically make money, because now it's replacing consultant services. It is the new consultant that knows everything. And experts still predict that in the near future, AI is going to replace all the experts, most of the white-collar jobs. So, unless you jump onto this trend, then the waves of AI are going to sweep you off your grounds. But if you are here studying this course, then most likely you on a very big advantage. So, ChatGPT is a type of chatbot that uses advanced machine learning algorithm to generate human-like responses to user queries. It's a chatbot, however, a more improved kind of chatbot, a human sort of chatbot, I should say, wiser and more resourceful. It has a large bank of information, so it will give you the best responses. So, but I know it's a chat, but unlike traditional chatbots which were being used, which are programmed with a set of predefined responses, ChatGPT is designed to generate its own responses based on the context of the conversation. It has that intelligence. It will get the context of your question and answer it accordingly. Now, in recent years, chatbots have become so popular for business especially. I think you must have seen chatbots on, they are acting as support for clients. Like once you get on a website, the first thing that talks to you is a chatbot. It's programmed with predetermined responses, how it's supposed to get to you, and it directs you to get the information. So chatbots are computer programs that use natural language processing to simulate conversation with users. You must have come across chatbots somewhere on websites especially. So they are programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from answering frequent task questions to processing orders. As a matter of fact, most websites are using chatbots for frequent asked questions, because these questions are the same, so they are easily programmed. However, traditional chatbots have limitations. They are often unable to handle complex queries, and their responses can feel scripted and impersonal. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Actually, I don't know about you, but I have had issues using chatbots, because you would ask a question, but it will keep referring to you to a conventional answer, because according to it, there are certain set rules, there are certain answers starts to operate to people. You get? So it can't put stuff into context. Actually, if you pose a question that is outside of the conventional string of text, then it will go blank. But ChatGPT, this is where ChatGPT comes in. It is able to answer your question in context. I think this is a result of the fact that ChatGPT has been trained with numerous amount of text, numerous information. So it's able to scan through and get the right context. Even if it misses, I will show you in this course later, you can always put ChatGPT into the right context and it will refer to that information. Which is not in other words, you can teach ChatGPT to become better at answering your questions, which is not the case for chatbots. ChatGPT learns chatbots are really what they say they are. Bots, robots, they are programmed to answer specific questions. If you bring out a question that has never heard of, it freezes. ChatGPT will even learn from you. Next time you ask that very question, it will answer it better. That is the power of AI, man. So that has been it for this lecture. Basically we're talking about ChatGPT, how this powerful tool has revolutionized the world. ChatGPT is something, as we speak right now, experts say that this is just the tip of the iceberg. The big thing is out of our vision. We are not seeing the big stuff, the real power of ChatGPT. So guys, we just need to get excited, because now stuff is going to be awesome. We are going to become, all of us are going to be geniuses. All of us are going to be skilled with different skills, knowledge. Like you can literally do anything within minutes, seconds, because you just need to know how to use ChatGPT to get your answers, to solve your problems, which is what this course is designed to teach you. The forbidden ChatGPT money hacks. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use ChatGPT to monetize it, to make money, to know the shortcuts, the in and outs of ChatGPT, such that now you can use it in a way that you'll be able to make money, lots of it.